Today we are going to learn about the Internet. Okay, first let us start with what is a network. For example, children, suppose your family plans to visit your grandparents' house for vacations to spend good time with them. Your father plans to go via car. Since the place is far off and he wants to travel by road, so he will take help of Google Map as it displays the areas connected through networks of roads. These networks help us in traveling from one place to another so that we can meet our friends and relatives living at far-off places. Now, can you tell me some other way to interact with your friends and relatives rather than meeting them personally? Yes, it is possible via computer or smartphone. Your computer or smartphone can help you in this task only if it is connected to the respective device at the other end. Just as a road network connects various cities and towns, likewise there exists a network that connects different computers with each other. This network is known as the computer network. Students, now let's see what is the Internet. When the computer networks are joined together, they form a bigger network called Internet. Internet connects millions of computers around the world. It has revolutionized the whole world and made computers the most effective communication tools. The Internet not only contains huge variety of information, but also provides new ways of interacting and connecting with people. Students, let us study about history of the Internet. In 1969, when men walked on the moon, the U.S. Defense Department sent an Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, for further research. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. This network was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to Internet, the technology which has radically changed our lives. Earlier, Internet was used by engineers, scientists, and computer experts for research purpose, but gradually the network was made accessible to private agencies and general public. People started using it for sending messages and files between any 2 computers. In India, Internet services started on 15th August 1995 through a government-owned company, VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Students, let us talk about commonly used Internet terms. www, World Wide Web. www refers to a network of sites on the Internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animation and videos. This information can be accessed by people all over the world. Students, do you know Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of the World Wide Web? Web page. A web page is a digital page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. Home page. The first page of a website is called the home page. It contains the main information about the accessed website along with the links to other pages of a website. URL. To visit your friend's place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as the Uniform Resource Locator, URL. The URL of any website is entered in the address bar of a web browser. For example, www.cartoonnetwork.com and discoverychannel.com are the URLs of Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel respectively. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offers you the use of Internet in exchange for a fee. It provides software, username and password to user in order to get connected to the Internet. Some of the popular Internet service providers, ISP in India, are BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, Idea, etc. Students know the fact. The first commercial ISP was the Massachusetts-based The World, founded in Brooklyn in 1989. Students, let's know more. ISPs provide two types of connections, dial-up and broadband. In dial-up technology, you have to dial a number of connect to the internet through an existing phone line. Whereas in broadband technology, a computer is continuously connected to the internet through the phone line. It provides high-speed internet access. Net surfing, the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy, is called net surfing. Like the surfer of the water sport rides the waves towards the shore by going with the flow, similarly the net surfer surfs the ocean of knowledge, internet, by simply following the links. A link can be a highlighted text, a button, or an image. When we move the cursor over a link, the cursor changes to hand-shaped pointer. Clicking the link takes us to a web page in the website or to a different website. Okay, let me share the fact. Mark McCahill coined the phrase, surfing the net. Search engine. What will you do if you have to find a particular chapter in a book? You will see the index, find out the page number, and then directly open that page. Similarly, to look for any information on the internet, search engines can be used. A search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. It requires the user to enter a keyword related to the information to be searched and displays the search results in the form of a list of links to the pages on which the keywords are found. Examples of search engine are Google, www.google.com, Bing, www.bing.com, Yahoo, www.yahoo.com. To find information on the search engine, connect to the internet and use the desired browser. Open any search engine. Example, Google. Type a few keywords related to the information you want to search. For example, Cartoon Network, and click on the search button. It will display a list of websites which have the relevant information. Read the provided information and click on the link you consider the most appropriate. The home page of that website will open. Students, do you know Larry Page, right, and Sergey Brin, left, are the founders of Google? Okay, students, let us understand about the basic requirements for an internet connection. To connect your computer with internet, you need the